During sleep, your body naturally regenerates, rejuvenates, and repairs itself. So how you feel in the morning depends on the rest you get at night. Wake up refreshed, energized, and looking your absolute best with Relax. Your body works 24 hours a day and needs quality rest. Unfortunately, our fast-paced lifestyles, fast food diets, stress, and mass quantities of energy drinks are eroding our ability to achieve the deep sleep we all need. We know the lack of quality sleep can make us irritable and slow, but it also directly impacts memory, health, and even looks. When taken 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime, Relax helps relieve the day's stress, so you get the restorative sleep you need to function at your best during the day. Relax contains a variety of proven natural ingredients designed to reduce stress, improve breathing, and promote relaxation while supporting restful sleep. Elemental nutrition helps your body sleep deeply and reach optimal levels of rejuvenation, while plant-based and marine collagen supports rebuilding and strengthening of skin cells while you sleep, so you wake up refreshed and looking your best. Pomegranate, excellent source of high-powered antioxidants and vitamin C. GABA. GABA is taken by mouth for relieving anxiety, improving mood. Lavender eases nervous tension, is mildly sedating, and may help reduce muscular tension. In traditional Chinese medicine, Xuanzi Ren is said to nourish the blood and calm the nerves to bring on a tranquil sensation and reduce the effect of sleep disturbances. Milk thistle is a strong antioxidant. Chamomile, used for centuries to calm an upset stomach and to promote restful sleep. Wu Ling, a Chinese herb used to calm nerves and promote sleep. Wu Wei Qi, this safe yet very powerful tonic herb, has calming energies. Melatonin, a naturally occurring hormone in the body. Melatonin helps control the sleep and wake cycles and helps curb jet lag and reset the body's internal clock. Collagen strengthens skin elasticity, initiates hair growth, strengthens fingernails. While Relax is not a sleep product, it is a relaxation product that allows your body to release stress, properly relax, and reach its perfect level of deep sleep. This restorative sleep helps reset your body's natural rhythm, so you wake with reduced stress and more vitality and no sluggishness or grogginess. Start your day right at night with the best sleep you've ever had. Relax supports the healthy, deep, restorative sleep patterns you need to be at your daytime best. Your best days start at night with Relax.